If you've ever been too shy to play D&D because you're just not sure what to expect, today I'm going to give you a crash course on what you need to know before playing your first game. So here are 10 things I wish I had known before playing Dungeons & Dragons for the first time. First up, you don't need to be an expert on fantasy worlds or role-playing games to enjoy D&D. The game is designed for players of all levels of experience, and the Dungeon Master or the DM will guide you through the basics as you go along. All you need is to make a character, show up, and listen and participate. Second, D&D is a cooperative game, so everyone at the table is working together to achieve the same goal. This means that there's no need to worry about winning or losing. It's all about having fun and telling a great story together. Third up today, you'll need some basic supplies to play D&D. These include a set of dice, which you can usually find at your local game store, or you can use virtual dice if your game is online. Pencils and paper help, and some miniatures or other tokens to represent your characters and creatures in the game. Fourth, character creation is one of the most fun parts of D&D. You get to choose what race and class your character is, as well as their appearance, their name, their backstory, and more. The options are nearly endless, so take your time and make a character you'll enjoy playing that you can dive into. Fifth, once you've created your character, it's time to start thinking about how they would interact with the world around them. This includes their personality, motivations, and goals. What kind of person are they? Why do they adventure? What do they want to achieve? This is important because understanding your character is key to role-playing, and this is the world's best role-playing game after all. Sixth, D&D is a role-playing game, which means that you'll be acting out your character's actions and dialogue in addition to making decisions about what they do. This can be daunting at first, but just remember to have fun and stay in character. The more you play, the easier it will become, I promise. So make sure that you find those 30 seconds of courage and participate, because if there's no players, there's no game. Seventh, combat is an important part of D&D, but it doesn't have to be the focus of the game. There are many different ways to resolve conflicts in the game, so if combat isn't your thing, there are still plenty of other experiences to be had. However, just know that combat will occur eventually, and finding a game that has the right balance between RP and combat is more about your preference than anything else. Eighth, be prepared to make mistakes, and watch the DM make them too. It's all part of the game, and everyone is learning. Just relax, have fun, and don't take things too seriously. Ninth, the game is a constantly evolving process. This is 5th edition after all. The rules are always changing and being updated, and there are always new expansions and modules being released. So if you feel like you're getting lost or confused, don't worry. Just ask questions and do some research, and you'll be back on track in no time. Finally, remember that this is a game that is based on consequences. That means that your character might die, and that's okay. It's all part of the fun, so don't be afraid to take risks, make mistakes, and just have a good time. I hope you found these tips useful, and I wish you the best of luck in your future D&D games. Leave some tips of your own in the comments down below. What do you wish you had known? Thank you so much for watching. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, feed your Displacer Beasts, and we'll see you next time, adventurers.